Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lorraine and this is Lorraine June Projects. I'm so excited about this video because I started filming it 1 year ago when I did the tile backsplash on our kitchen. We moved to Alaska a year ago also, so that's pretty wild. I'm going to be doing an updated vlog on what it's been like living in Alaska for 1 full year. It's been a really interesting year. Yes, this is baby number 2. That would be why I've taken such a long break on uploading videos. But anyways, I'll get into that in my next video. What we really are here for is our tile backsplash 1 year later and how to. There is actually a section of the tile that I totally forgot to spray the wall as well as the tile, and it's still going strong, so that's really cool. I will just say really quick that I still really love this tile backsplash. I think that it's an excellent product for somebody who's not looking to spend thousands of dollars or spend a lot of time doing a real backsplash, or they're just not ready yet. I highly recommend this product. I bought it from Amazon. No, this is not an ad. No, I don't make any money from the products that I use. I will put in the show notes all of the information on the spray that I used and the actual tile backsplash. I'm gonna hop right into the video. If you are interested in learning more about tile, anything camper, small projects, sewing, or just updates on me and my life, be sure to click subscribe and check out my other videos. I post randomly. Okay, so this is the peel and stick tiles that I used for this project. Each packet comes with 10, so you can see it comes with 10 sheets. The reason I have this is these are the tiles that I used for my trailer renovation. So you can see they're really flimsy, very different colored, so they're kind of off-white if you can tell the difference here. And also the other thing that I don't like about these little tiles, these ones I got from Home Depot, they're significantly smaller. So I guess if you're working in a really small space, they're cute and they work. I didn't have any issues with them lifting or anything like that. So quality wise, they were fine. But price wise, these are probably like 3 times more expensive than these ones. And I will say quality wise, these ones are better for a bigger space like this. So this brand Art3D works really well. You can see they're pliable. However, they're much more rigid than those ones, so I definitely like these a lot more. I also like the colors more, like the lighter gray, the darker gray. They don't, for some reason on their, on Amazon, you'll see that it says that they interlock. They definitely don't interlock, but you can like push them together pretty well. But they don't like click or anything like that, so that was kind of misleading. The other thing too is that to adhere these to a regular paint surface, like the one that you have here, you can't just buy this and then stick it on. There's really fine print somewhere on their little section on Amazon that says that, but I did not know that when I first bought these. So I had to buy some adhesive spray. This is the one I found at Lowe's, I think, or maybe Home Depot. It works pretty well. These ones I just did today. So this whole section is complete. I think it looks so nice. That's me. And then this section over here has all of the stuff that was over there, so like ignore that. I've had on now for, I want to say 2 months, and it looks great. No lifting, no issues. To just make the edges look nice, this is just like some paint that we need to fix, but to make the edges look nice, I bought this, I think it's the same brand, and I'm going to line the top with that as well. The bottom I might caulk in, so I think that'll look nice. But this side looks great, and it's been like that for about 2 months, like I said. And this side I just put in, it looks so nice. What an amazing addition without a lot of money. Okay, so now we are getting into the how-to section of the video. As you can see, we have our tiles. The first step you're going to want to do, of course, is measure space. You can see here I'm working behind the stove, so I'm just like measuring to right where the stove starts because I didn't really want tiles behind it. So all you have to do is cut a straight line. I used one of those rulers as my edge, and obviously the knife is a box cutter, works really well. And then you grab whatever sticky stuff you're gonna use for your glue. I liked this one, it worked really well. It's been a year and it's still sticking on. You're gonna spray the wall and the back of the tiles, but as you can see here, I totally forget to spray the tiles. But yes, you are gonna wanna spray both. You're gonna wanna wait about 10-15 seconds, let that adhesive really set in, and then stick your tile to it. You're gonna wanna make sure it's all lined up really nice and push down thoroughly to make sure that it's all on there well and there's no air bubbles or anything like that. And you do have a couple of minutes, or seconds, to make adjustments or anything like that. And then now we're just running into doing the exact same thing over and over again in a time-lapse form, so you can see me finishing up the top portion by doing those really easy steps. And the top isn't perfect by any means, but you can totally put in that same siding and it looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it brought you some clarity on if you're going to use stick-on tile for your backsplash. I think it looks great. I think it's been a really great spot saver for when we do an actual backsplash. And I'm really impressed with how well it has held up over the year. If in 2 years we still have it, I'll do another upload. Why not? I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comment down below. I do my best getting back to questions. Yeah, thanks for watching my video and we'll see you next time.